Today in this video we will be discussing the Science and Technology Part 1 related Current Affairs 2022. The sources are as given in this slide. Let's begin the questions. Additive manufacturing recently seen in news is option 1 manufacturing of additive products, manufacturing of anti-additive products, 3D printing and 8D printing. Additive of manufacturing is recently seen in news. It was 3D printing. It is nothing but the other name of 3D printing, or in additive manufacturing you will make 3D printings. Which ministry has introduced the scheme National Strategy for Additive Manufacturing? Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MEITY, MEITY, to remember the short form also. Third, Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Ministry of Health. Here the answer is MEITY, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next question. Quantum key distribution recently seen in news is option 1 a secured key used in cloud technology for securing servers for authentication. Second, scheme by MEITY to provide internet services to universities. Third, scheme by Ministry of Panchayat Raj to provide cloud services to panchayats. And fourth, it is a secure key transfer method in communication demonstrated by DRDO. Here the answer is fourth one, that is it is a secure key transfer method used in communication and it was demonstrated recently by DRDO. Consider the following statements regarding data centers. These are secure space where computing and networking equipment is concentrated. Second statement, as of now there are two types of data centers. Third, in India as of 2022 it has 80 third-party data centers. Which of the following statements are correct? 1 and 3 only, 1 and 2, all of the above, and 1 only. If you have read thoroughly about the data centers, you will get to know that there are 4 types of data centers as of 2022 and it is not 2 types. So eliminate the second option, right? We are remaining with 1 and 3 and 1 only. In India, as of 2022, it has 80 third-party data centers. Yes, it has 80 third-party data centers. And the answer here is 1 and 3 only. The trick here for UPSC is that, see, whenever you get some facts like this, do remember most of the times these are wrong, right? In this question I have put it is right, but most of the times they have been tampered and you can eliminate those statements if at all you are not sure about that question, right? So here the present answer is 1 and 3 only. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. Stem cell therapy (SCT) helps in curing the HIV completely. Second, as of 2022, 3 persons across world have been completely cured of HIV by stem cell therapy. Third, stem cells fall under the definition of drug as per the Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940 in India. Which of the following statements are correct? 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, all of the above, and 1 only. 3. Stem cell therapy, yes, it helps in curing the HIV completely. Second, as of 2022, 3 persons across the world, right, have been completely cured of HIV by stem cell therapy. This statement is also true. Stem cell therapy falls under the definition of drugs as per Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940. This statement is also true. Here the right answer is all of the above, right? See, as I told in the trick for UPSC is that most of the sentences have been tampered. Just leave aside this question, and if you think in the examination, if he can easily write instead of 3 he can easily write 4 or 5, right? So the statement can be tampered. If at all you don't know the fact in the examination, you can eliminate in this way. Tokamak, Tokamak, recently seen in news is, first option, new species of frog recently discovered in Japan. Second, magnetic fusion device present in UK. It is a new technology in which 2 light nuclei are collided to produce energy. A new seagrass produced by genetical modification. Here the right answer is magnetic fusion device present in UK, right? The right answer is magnetic fusion device present in UK. Next question. Sun produces energy by nuclear fusion, both 1 and 2, and none. Here the right answer is nuclear fusion. Do remember, most of the times this question has been asked in the examination, right? You need to remember just only fusion, right? Fusion is the method by which the sun produces its energy. ITER recently seen in news is related to option 1 International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, Institute of Thermonuclear and Energy Research, Interstate Teachers Education Research Committee, and fourth one Intergovernmental Typhoid Elimination Recommendation Committee. Here the right answer is International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. We have a question depending on the same concept in further slides. Let's see it. ITER, that is International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, was launched in which year and in which place? Option 1 1990 in Paris, France. Second 1985 in Cadarache, south of France. 1970 in Bordeaux, France, and 1952 in Mont Saint-Michel in France. Here the right answer is 1985 in Cadarache, south of France. ISRO has scheduled the launch of Chandrayaan-3 in which year or in which month of which year? Option 1 August 2023, second December 2022, third December 2023 and August 2022. Here the right answer is August 2022. ISRO has scheduled the launch of Chandrayaan-3 mission, right? Artemis mission seen in news is related to which space agency? Artemis is a mission that has been launched by some country, and the question is asking which is that space agency. Option 1 ISRO, second NASA, third Roscosmos and JSP. Roscosmos is of Russia, JSP is of Japan, right? And NASA is of USA, and ISRO, you all know that it is of India. Do comment ISRO. In the recent video I have had a question on the same, that ISRO was launched in which year. Do comment that ISRO was launched in which year. Here the Artemis mission is related to NASA. It is of USA. Bodhi West Hills, BODIWEST, Bodhi West Hills are located in which state? Option 1 Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Meghalaya. Here the right answer is Tamil Nadu, right? Why this was in news? Tamil Nadu has filed an objection in the High Court stating that we will not be allowing neutrino mission, right? Neutrino mission is being planned to be established or launched in Bodhi West Hills of Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu has objected for the same. Next question. Sambal and Kottakuri are rivers in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Bihar, Tamil Nadu. See, you can easily eliminate some of the options if you go for Kottakuri. Kudi is nothing but it is a southern state names. Kudi are some of these names that are mostly used in southern states. Though you can eliminate the northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh and northern states like Bihar. The remaining two options are Kerala and Tamil Nadu. If you don't know the exact answer, you need to take a guess, as it is 50-50. If you are lucky, then you will be getting a chance of getting it positive. Here the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Sambal and Kottakudi are the rivers of Tamil Nadu. Vigyana Sarvatra Pujate. Vigyana Sarvatra Pujate is a festival by which ministry? Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Science and Technology. Vigyana Sarvatra Pujate is a festival. It has been launched by Ministry of Culture. It is a week-long festival that is conducted by Ministry of Culture. Next question. Accelerate Vigyan launched in 2020 by SERB aims for, what is SERB? Science and Engineering Research Board. SERB is nothing but Science and Engineering Research Board. First option is to strengthen scientific research mechanism in the country. Second, to motivate youngsters to take an initiative to start a startup in science and technology field. Third, use of science and technology in textile industry. And fourth, to affiliate the top-notch technology universities with rural schools. The right answer here is to strengthen the scientific research mechanism in the country. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you can hit the like button, and if you wish to subscribe, then you can do subscribe. Thank you.